Keynote is part of Apple's iWorks app along with Pages and Numbers. It already comes pre-installed on all iPads and is very powerful with a lot of great uses across the class. Let's have a look at the great features that Keynote has for presenting. So when you're presenting, you might want to use the notes feature, which is just up here in the view section. Turn on presenter notes. Here you can just add any notes, whether you're looking to target any children in your lesson or whether you're making prior links or whether it's just as a guide if you are presenting. And then when you hit play, you won't be able to see it on this as I'm using the screen record feature and you can't see that there, but there's a button up here which effectively looks like two little screens together. When you tap that, you have a range of options down here which you can choose. So it is this screen and notes, so you can just have notes, and it will show on the screen, the external screen that you're presenting on, as a slide, but on your iPad it will show two screens. There will be one which will be this slide and one which will be your notes. So one great feature to use when you are presenting, especially if you are teaching in the classroom, is you can annotate over the slides as you go. So I'm just going to hit play now, and when I tap the screen in the top corner, there is a little pen tool which you won't be able to see because we're presenting on an external screen and we're screen recording. And when I tap this, I get lots of options on the bottom. So I get the pointer if I just want to point at certain things, and I get a range of pens if I just want to model how to complete these things here, and that's a really great feature to use. You can use Keynote Live to share your presentation onto other devices rather than just having it on an external screen. And this is really easy to do. This is really beneficial if you have children in the class with certain difficulties and they need a bit of extra focus. So you just hit the three dots, come down to Keynote Live settings here, and you have some more options here where you can copy the link and you can add a password if you so wish, or if you go to invite viewers here, you can airdrop them, you can copy the link here. I do believe you can post it directly into Seesaw and lots of other places where whatever it is that you might use. I'm just going to airdrop it to my phone, and when I hit done now, I'm going to hit play, and I'm going to hit play on Keynote Live, and it says no viewers have joined yet. So if I hit on my phone view slideshow, it will tell me that one viewer has joined, and if I just want to play it on this iPad, I can change that, but I'm going to play it on Keynote Live now. It does take slightly longer just because obviously it is going over Wi-Fi. So once the slideshow starts, I can skip through, and you can't see this because we're recording to an external screen, but on my phone the slides change in real time. So as I change and as I'm going through, slides change in real time, which is a great thing. Only downside to this is that you can't use the annotation features whilst using Keynote Live, but all in all, a great way to push your presentation out to multiple devices, or if you want to share it live while you're doing it with people who aren't actually in the room. It does on my presentation tell me how many viewers are in. Again, you can't see that because I'm recording on an external screen, but it does tell me that one is in. And when I go to hit stop, it says exit, one viewer is still watching. So you can really see how many people are in and how many people are there.